Hello and welcome to Spencer's Nursery, where we do all sorts of videos ranging from growing your own fruit and veg to growing different types of trees and even sharing gardening tips and tricks. On this channel I film quite a few of the videos on the allotment. Here we grow fruit, veg and flowers. I also have a dedicated playlist to these videos. This year we're also trialling the no-dig style on the allotment. Furthermore, we're also starting an orchard. Here we will grow and graft our own fruit trees. I also do tips and tricks videos. These videos will teach you tips and tricks for your garden. I also have a playlist for these sort of videos. Recently we have started to plant a lot of trees such as this oak tree. Just look at the size of this young, fast-growing hybrid poplar tree. I even have a video on how to grow your own Christmas tree. We also have a playlist dedicated to trees. One exciting new project is the fast-growing hybrid willow trees. I wonder how fast they'll grow. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you've liked what you've seen, and if so, remember to click that subscribe button. I guess that's about what I have to say for this video. So I guess I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye bye everybody. Remember to click subscribe with notifications on, and be sure to watch one of these other videos on screen.